Hello everybody, it's me here, and today we're going to be adding some clay into slime. And I'm here with my sister. Say hi. She's sad because she thinks she doesn't get to do anything, but she does. Okay, first Lena, open that. So we have some flarp. Can you open it? You have to get the plastic off first though. And then we have this secret slime, and yeah, you guys have to guess what to call it because I don't know a name for it. And so let's just open these now. Okay guys, so we got them open, so let's open them and play with them. Here you go. So here's a flarp slime. It's okay I guess, but it's store-bought, so it's like kind of bad. Tell us your review. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you kind of like it, and why?
I kind of like it, but the section of it.
Oh, okay. Now let's move on to the next slime review. This one's a pretty like chill slime, you know. It's still store-bought, but let's get into the container because I think we're gonna do this one first. So that's what it looks like. I bought it from the school. Here, you can play with it. Wait, we're not gonna mix them. We're gonna do them separate, but poke it and all. See what your review is. Like, why do you like it? Do you like it?
I kind of like it.
I love it because, like, it's really cool, and, like, whenever you stretch it, it's, like, clear. And it's a really cool slime. Now, let's get into the goodies. So today, everybody, we'll be mixing this model magic from Crayola into it, and then we have some pretty star beads and some pearl beads and a stick. This all costed $1, so it wasn't that bad. So let's get into the good part. Okay, first we have to open this, and let me go open these and find something to put them on so we can show you them. So here's what they look like after, like the clay. This looks really cool. It feels like some really nice cloud slime, but it's really hard because it's like clay. And whoa-wee, it feels like a soft cloud. This is great for adding in slime. Everybody, go to Dollar General and buy this magic model Crayola stuff. It feels so good. It already feels like fluffy slime. Yeah.
It's hard.
Squish it.
Ooh, feels like...
Okay, so now we're going to get a little bit of this, and we're going to add it into our bowl of this. But first, we'll need some light in here, because it's really, really dark. So let's add some light. Okay, guys, so we got some light in here. Sorry if it's too light, too dark. Sorry if you hear outside noises. That's because, like, people are doing work out there. So let's add a little bit of this. I guess I'll add... this much of it.
Yeah.
So let's start adding it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god. I never actually done this before. So let's see if it turns out to be a fail. Or if it turns out to be an extra supercalorocious, superalidocious slime. And in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this slime looks actually really cool, and it feels so good.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. And it didn't really mix good, but I'm still going to be mixing it. This is just a work in progress of the mix. But look at how good this turned out. Like before and after. Whoa, this feels so good on my hands. It's like so fluffy, and it's kind of like a peach pink color. And it looks really cool. So let's keep mixing it, guys. Our kitten decided to join. Hi, little buddy. Don't eat this. This is slime. You don't want to eat that, baby. This is a kitten. Hey, baby. And now it's like kind of like a lightish pinkish, as you can see, guys. And we're gonna dye it with some eyeliner. I think that's how you say it. Well, no, I think it's like eyeshadow. There you go. And we're gonna add it in here to make it a color. So let's do that. Okay guys, so unfortunately we could not find my eyeshadow, but we decided to keep it this color so we could add the pretty white beads. It is just gonna look really pretty, like a pretty pearl slime. Get your hair out of it. We don't want any hair in this. I really like how this turned out. Let's move on to the pink one. Okay, everybody, time to add this pink slime into it, into the bowl I'm in. Oh my god, this is so sticky. Ew! Let's just add that. So this is the Flarp Noisy Putty. It's not exactly putty. I don't know why people call it that. This looks disgusting.
Pull it out there then.
No, I don't want to touch it. There you go. Got it all out. Okay, let's review it. Okay, I really don't like the texture or anything about it. Like, it can't stretch and it feels really disgusting, and I just don't like it. And yeah. Okay, everybody, so my sister's about to give a review, and it just doesn't feel good like ordinary slime. I mean, you can poke it and all that. Okay, Elena, you give your review. Like, do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you kind of like it? Just feel it and tell me if you like it or not.
It feels kind of like stretchy. I like these kind of slimes because they're like down in general in the section room. So I like them. They poke really good. I like when they fart.
Now you guys know what time it is. Time to add this wonderful clay, but my sister's going to do it. So split it in half and then add it. Like, pull it.
Okay. Now, I'd rather put this like that.
Okay, my turn.
See how it turns out.
Okay, guys, let's see how it turns out. This already feels like it's going to be a fail, but let's see. You never know. So now here's a work in progress of it. We used all the clay, and it's not really mixing in good, but maybe we just need more mixing. We're just not sure. So we'll just keep mixing, and my sister's being really weird. I don't think she's okay. So let's just keep mixing it to see what it turns out to look like. Okay, guys, so here's another work in progress. And our kitten's back, so Lena, don't do that. Don't do that. Let him be in the video. But here's a work in progress. Lena, poke it. See what you think of it so far.
It feels really fluffy, but actually
The bowl is going down here. I'll hold it down. And it's really fluffy, to be honest. These are really fluffy.
Well, it actually looks like a good...
And it looks like bubble gum, and it smells like strawberry shortcakes.
Let me smell it. Ew. It smells like good.
Wow. Okay, so let's continue to mix it. So, guys, here's how it turned out to be. And now we're going to mix these two into each other. Now you're probably all sad and all that, and you don't want me to mix them. But let's mix little pieces and see if we like it or not. Or if we just like it the same how it is. Let's do it. Okay, guys, now we're going to mix these two together. Ooh, it's turning out pretty good so far, to be honest. It's turning out a really pretty color. Whoa, I really like it. Let's mix them. Let's mix these now. It's stuck to me. Now let's add the pretty beads. I'll have my sister add these star ones into that one. And not yet. Let me add these pretty pearl ones into this one. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so now she's going to put the stars into the pink. Come on. This is like bubblegum slime. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, now mix them in. No, not with that. I mean, like, crunch it. There you go. Like, mix all the stars in. So this turned out to be like a really crunchy slime. But when you knead it, the star, like here's the spikes. Like the star spikes start to spike your hands. So I suggest this is a fluffy bubblegum cloud butter crunchy slime. Which we need to make a new name for that.
I don't really like it because it like crunches my hand.
Yeah, but we're gonna add both the beads. Like we might mix them together, but it depends. So let's mix mine in now. Okay, where I'm gonna add these pretty pearl beads. Oh, one already fell out. I'll add a little bit, and I'll think that if that's enough or not.
I wish I could have the pearl beads.
Here, this isn't your slime. It's both of ours. We're gonna split it. Let's keep that. Okay, now you add those. So the beads are staying in, that's always good. And it feels really good. I'm not going to mix them. Whoa. This already feels so good on my hands. If only you guys could have this. But you guys can make it. You just have to buy some store slime. Get that model. Maybe you should buy like 3 of them and put it in all in one slime, I meant, sorry. And then it would all be like, then it would not be like all bubblegummy and cloudy unless you want it to be. Anyways, yeah guys, let's see how my sister's is turning out. Okay guys, so here's how my slime turned out. Really good, and it feels so good on my hands. And here's how this one turned out. The stars are really spiky, and it's like a cloud bubblegum. I don't even know what to call it. Ow. Ow. Hurts my hands. So now my ratings for this would be, blank out of 10. Let's see. Like the texture. A 6, because of the stars. They poke my hands. Ow. This one is going to be a 10 out of 10. Whoop whoop. Okay guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you later, alligator. Bye.